Okay, just once again, a little short video for the students of specialised foods that are doing this unit with me. This is a short video, a little bit of a welcome to Module 3 as well, I suppose. But as you know, blended learning involves the student cooking and presenting their individual specialised menu for the local Capricorn Animal Aid Gala event. This involves the food order and standard recipe cards. And just be mindful that this assessment is weighted for assessment 3 for 20%. This assessment activity requires you to work independently using the skills and knowledge that you learnt in AT2. The practical activity will be negotiated with myself and Sue, the local president of Cap Animal Aid, because this is all about meeting the industry needs, which is a requirement of the training package. This will be an authentic learning task which will provide multiple feedback points as we negotiate things. We negotiate what we put up and the food orders, and then obviously there's negotiation with Sue that takes place. So this will give you multiple points whereby you'll be able to get feedback. This is feedback for learning. Anyway, all said and done, just a quick one for now. We'll look forward to seeing you in the training kitchen. Bye for now.